You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, I'm sure you've heard this word before. This is the pizza maker, the Italian name for a pizza maker. It's actually a proper, real job. In Italy, you have to be a master. So, how do you say it in Italian properly, correctly? Pizza. You probably already know how to say pizza in Italian. Double Z or double Z is pronounced like TS, okay, pizza. Pizzaiolo. Pizzaiolo is how it's said in Italy. Then, once you know how to say pizza properly, pizzaiolo is easy, right? In English, pizzaiolo, or in Italian, pizzaiolo. You got it. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.